Welcome to Lowkey PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to import and export Google Calendars. So when you go to the General Settings page and you go over to the main menu on the left, down here you'll see Import and Export. So I'm going to click on that. And if I have a calendar file that I've saved maybe to my hard drive or something like that, I can select that and then I can add that to a specific calendar that I already have set up if I want to import it. Or if I want to export a calendar, I can take one of my many calendars here, choose it to export. Man, I really got to clean this up. But I can export that calendar file to make it importable for somebody else. So if you need to exchange calendar data either with someone else or maybe you just want to transfer it to a different account, who knows, you can import and export that calendar data in the General Settings menu.